This is how to see your subscribers on YouTube. For you to see your subscribers on YouTube, you click your logo. After you must have signed up to your YouTube channel, you click your logo, then you switch to your channel. Make sure you select the right channel. I will select the right channel, this ASK JOFA. You click the logo again of the right channel you selected. You select your YouTube studio. You select the dashboard. You scroll down. You can see recent subscribers. You click more. You can see subscribers. These are lists of latest subscribers. You only see users on this list that have made their subscription public. You can select the range here. You select range here for the past 7 days, for the last 28 days, for the last 90 days, and you can see for lifetime. And you can sort. You can see this is date subscribed and subscriber count for each users that subscribe to your channel. You now know how to see subscribers on YouTube. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You will learn how to transform your passion into profit if you follow this channel.